Okay, it's time for another trader question. What do you think is a reasonable profit goal for each week trading one contract of MES? I'm wondering if 50 points a week with one contract is a reasonable goal. My answer is absolutely. I think that's a fantastic goal. For me personally, I strive to earn a daily income by scalping MES, and I want to make 10 to 50 points a day per account. Now that per account is a multiplier thing I'm not going to discuss in this video, but 10 to 50 points a day is my goal. On the low end, if you did 10 points a day, that's 50 points for the week. So my goal is in line with what you are envisioning. Now there's a couple keys here to making this goal pretty easily. The first one is recognizing when you're in the right trade and you can develop protection layers to stay in the trade to make 10, 20, 30 points on that one trade. One good 10-point plus runner a week will make this goal very simple. And part of that is recognizing you are in that trade and you know how to develop those protection layers to stay in it so you know when to get out. So 10 to 50 points, I think, is absolutely perfect. Now, for me, let me pull this up real quick. I was texting with a buddy of mine, and I was telling him my results the last few weeks because he was asking that question. And so here are my previous results. Hold on. All right. So this week I did 98 points. Last week I did 183, and the week before that I did 160. So those were my results. So like I said, 10 to 50 points a day is my goal. And I believe that is within the realm of possibility. Now, the first thing is recognizing that you want to be in that longer trade, okay? And you know how to do that. And the second thing is when you are in those longer trades and you are presented with the opportunity to add to your position, that you add to your position, okay? So let's say you're long, you're up 10, 12 points. Price comes back to a newly created level where you can go long. Well, if you're already long, just add to your position. I always recommend adding to your winners and never, ever adding to your losers. Okay? So recognize you're in the good trade, recognize the opportunity to add to your position, and you're going to do very, very well for your weekly goal. Then you just scalp the 1, 2, 5 points throughout the day and throughout the week, and you're going to meet your goal rather easily if you have a high probability system, if you know how to take a loss, if you never add to losers. So there's lots of ifs there. But 50 points a week is completely reasonable. That is how one trader sees it.